Hey, are you a real estate agent? Do you want to earn way more money in a lot less time? Then you'll want to get your hands on the six-figure month real estate agent blueprint, the proven method we use and which our agents use to consistently generate inbound phone calls from serious home sellers and to earn over $100,000 in a single month without having to door knock, cold call, or chase people down. My name is Kevin Cahill, and I've been a full-time real estate broker since 1999, and I've been a managing broker for some of the largest brokerage brands in the world since 2009. In that time, I've helped nearly 1,000 agents craft very consistent and reliable six-figure and seven-figure income businesses, working more effectively in less time. And I'd like to help you too. We've used this innovative approach to generate more income in a single month than most successful agents earn in a year. And one of our newest agents, who was brand new to the business and new to his market area, used our unusual approach to earn nearly $170,000 in his first 11 months as a full-time agent. And then, in month 12, he wrote new listings and new purchase agreements that generated his first six-figure month. So how can you do this? First, you must create an amazing, unique value proposition that attracts your ideal home seller prospects. This gives you opportunities that other agents will never get, and it allows you to work very efficiently and very profitably. And then you must focus 100% of your lead generation activity on attracting sellers. And you must design everything in your business to thrill home sellers and get them top dollar for their home. If you want to earn six figures in a single month, you need to focus all of your efforts on attracting home sellers. And you must eliminate your dependency on third-party, buyer-focused lead platforms that simply wedge themselves between you and your ideal clients. I have so much more to share with you, so I have put together an entire webinar training for you called the Six-Figure Month Real Estate Agent Blueprint, and it's 100% free. Click the link you see here, and you'll be taken to a page that looks like this. Then enter your name and email address, and you'll be given instant and immediate access to the webinar training. It's that simple. Listen, aren't you sick and tired of being on call 24/7? Aren't you tired of missing out on family gatherings and special occasions? Wouldn't you love to get away on vacation without worrying that everything is going to crumble in your absence? There is a much better way. Let us show you how. Take that next step and click the link here and get access to this 100% free, life-changing, transformative training now. But don't delay. Remember, if you keep doing the same things you've been doing, you'll continue to get the same results you've been getting. It's time to put the days of inconsistent roller coaster income behind you once and for all. Say goodbye to the days of worrying that you don't have any appointments on your schedule. No new listings, no new buyers, nothing under contract, and no closings coming in anytime soon, and no money. Say goodbye to all that. Let me show you how to earn more money in less time with fewer headaches and far less hassle. And finally, take back control of your calendar and your income. You deserve it. So what are you waiting for? Click that link and sign up for the webinar now. You'll be glad you did. I look forward to seeing you on the other side.